Hello students, a very good morning all of you. I hope so you all are good at home and stay at home, keep safe yourself from all types of viruses. So thank you. So today we are going to start the 14th chapter for 7th class. Its name is Fortified India. Fortified India means that so many types of forts are there in India. Mostly the forts of Rajasthan are very famous in the world. So many people from abroad, they used to come over there to watch them, and they used to spend their holidays in Rajasthan. And another one is Gujarat is very famous nearby Hyderabad, so one fort is there. Otherwise UP is famous because Agra fort is there. Otherwise nearby the Gwalior Jhansi fort is very famous. And another one is that Bharatpur in Rajasthan, that one is also very famous. Its name is Lohgarh Fort. So we are going to discuss about the forts of India today. And forts are the buildings made by some kings in the ancient world. It is given in our history book. So we are going to start, so please listen carefully, and you will come to know about them, and you will be getting a very wonderful information about them. So I'm going to start from the first fort. That one is related to Rajasthan. It is situated in Jaipur, and you all know that Jaipur, that one is a pink city of India. This one is famous in India as the name a pink city. So first fort, before that I have to tell you one thing. During the ancient times, so kings and rulers that built forts to protect their kingdom. That most of their still exists. So they want to keep safe the life of their family. This is the reason they made some forts. So first fort is there. Its name is Amber Fort. That one is situated in Pink City, Jaipur. So this is one of the most visited that fort in Jaipur, built by Raja Man Singh first. Before that, one king was there, Swai Raja Man Singh, that he made the fort. That one is situated in Bikaner. But that one is Raja Man Singh first, and he made Amber Fort. That one is situated in Jaipur city. So this is a very famous. I went over there, and two types of the spaces are there to meet the people, and the kings, they were sitting over there. That normally whenever the people, they used to come to meet with the king, so it was Aam Sabha, and another was Khas Sabha. In Khas Sabha, that he used to meet to their princes and the family and the queens. So this one is the difference between Aam and Khas Sabha. So Amber Fort made by Raja Man Singh first. So next is the second. It is, you can see in your this chapter, it is given up. So this red giant structure at Agra, so where built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Yes, this one is very famous, made by Shah Jahan. another one thing is there, Shah Jahan made Taj Mahal. That one is also in Agra. So Taj Mahal is a wonderful ancient building that comes in seven wonders. So that one is a wonderful building that made by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Actually, it is a grave. It is not a just we can say palace, but it is a grave. So that one is wonderful. So just nearby that Taj Mahal, one fort is there. That one is famous as the Tiny Red Fort, and its name is Agra Fort. So that one is situated in nearby the Taj Mahal. It is very famous. It is made by Shah Jahan. So next, this one is located in Jodhpur in Rajasthan. This fort is situated that on the top of the hill that situated nearby that 400 feet above the city on a perpendicular cliff. Have you heard a movie of Hollywood? That one is a Cliffhanger. So Sylvester Stallone, that he performed a very wonderful job over there in the movie, that he used to hang himself on the cliff. And cliff and mountain, there is a difference. On the mountains we can find the trees and plants and all the things, but on cliff that nothing is there, only the rocks are there on the cliff. So this type of a rock mountain is there in the Jodhpur, and this fort is situated in the Jodhpur 400 feet above the city. So its name is Mehrangarh Fort. So nearby a city, a place, its name is Mehrangarh. So this one is Mehrangarh Fort. So next place, situated just 11 kilometers away from the city of Hyderabad. Since you all know about the Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is a famous city in India. Hyderabad, there is situated, I think so, Charminar. That one also very famous place in India. And tourists used to come over there and watch these two particular places. One is this fort and another one is the Charminar situated in Hyderabad. So its fort name is Golconda Fort. This one is very huge and made by the kings or rulers, those who were there that time in the ancient history. They made a wonderful, giant fort in Hyderabad. So it's Golconda Fort. The next fort that built by Bir Singh, that Judeo. Bir Singh Judeo, the king of Orcha in the year 1613. Have you heard Rani Jhansi? That she was the queen of Jhansi. And that time the Britishers came to India and most probably they captured the princely states over there in India, and they wanted to capture the Jhansi also. But Manikarnika, that movie came recently, Manikarnika, that she was the queen of Jhansi, and later on she got the wonderful name that during the marriage, and she got a wonderful name by her husband. She got the name Lakshmi Bai, and she famous that as the name of Lakshmi Bai and Jhansi Ki Rani, but she was a great lady in India. So there was a very wonderful fort made by Bir Singh Judeo, and that was Jhansi Fort. This one is the last not the least. This one is also situated in Rajasthan. That particular place is there, Bharatpur. So this one is built by Raja Surajmal. Raja Surajmal, he built this fort. Its name is Lohgarh Fort. This one is situated in Bharatpur. Another one thing I have to tell you, that one bird sanctuary is there in Bharatpur. This sanctuary is very famous in India, mostly related to the birds. And Siberian cranes, they used to come from the Siberia for approximately 2 to 3 months. They used to stay over there, and they all are called the migratory birds. So Siberian cranes used to come in the Bharatpur because this one is a wonderful bird sanctuary, and there is a wonderful giant fort is also situated. Its name is Lohgarh Fort. So it is given in your last picture in your chapter. So this was the chapter that related to the forts which are situated in India, mostly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh, and so many other forts are there which are famous. And one is in Delhi. That one is the Red Fort. It is also made by Shah Jahan. So I hope so you all understood the chapter of 14th. So please complete it or learn it at home. Keep safe yourself, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.